Hi guys, in this video I will gonna show you how we can touch screen panel of any Redmi mobile with just a simple code. The method is too easy. Before continuing, please press the bell icon for more interesting videos, subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below for further tips and tricks. Let's start. Just open dial pad of Redmi phone, dial star hash 64663 ##. After dialing code, this window appear where we have plenty of hardware testing options like sensor, camera, mic, fingerprint, etc. But as you guys know, we are only talking about touch panel test. So just click touch panel and draw a line on the edges of the phone and make sure that not a single box is empty. That means the screen panel of the Redmi is working 100%. See how easily we can test the touch panel. So that's it about the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Just don't forget to like the video, subscribe us, and if you guys want any other tips and tricks related to any Redmi device, so comment below. See you guys next video. Take care.